basically, we are basically trying to implement a VoltDB. So VoltDB is an in-memory database. So in-memory database, traditionally the databases store the data inside the disk. So when you try to write to disk or read from the disk, that makes the process transaction slower. So in the current world, you have a large amount of data. So when you try to fast access the data, in the current world we need to have a faster processing data. So when you try to process the data faster, it basically makes it slower. So what they come up with, instead of storing the data on the disk, you store it inside the virtual memory. So the problem with the virtual memory is that when you try to, the data is increasing day by day. So when you reach a certain level, this is also big, the speed is also becoming a limiting factor right now. So the problem, so we need to further increase speed, otherwise it's no longer going to be cost effective. So we come up with this design, we come up with Docker. Docker is just like virtual machines. Unlike the virtual machines, what's happening is that in virtual machines, each instance of the virtual machine will have a separate operating system. So this takes up lots of space, and the number of virtual machines is actually limiting. So in Docker, you can have a lots of, compared to virtual machines, you can have a lot of instances of it, mainly because you have shared operating system. So this makes it, you can have a lot of them, and then this is how we are using our design to implement the VoltDB. So we are including the VoltDB server in each of the virtual machines, in each of the Docker instances over here. I hope you can understand.
So we have multiple workers, so these active like
yeah, multiple servers. Yeah, more we can handle. So you might ask, why do you have a separate VoltDB server over here? So the thing is that when you start the Docker, there's port number. We make calls to port numbers, right? Like port 22 is when you try to, you would have remote login into your system. So when you try to remote login, I think it's always to port 22 in the computer. So the thing is that when the client wants to make a call or request something, it sends a request to a particular port number. So when the Docker starts, this client doesn't know where is the port located. So this server knows where the port located. So this basically sends to the different. So this basically assigns where is the server coming and assigns the appropriate ports and return the information back to the client. And then we use acquistion people to kind of help it to do the coordination for the stuff. And then when we try to do the testing, we were able to get about 50% increase from year to year. So but the problem is the year to year we get about a 50% increase. But the problem is that after the threshold, this is also kind of decreasing. So what we decided is that try to implement it on our fuel side.